Let's take a look at this problem. We've got 5x minus 1 squared is equal to 16. And it says solve each equation using the square root property. Square root property says if you got something squared equals something else, you can drop your squared and you put a plus or minus square root around the other side. So drop her squared, put a plus or minus square root around the other side. Well, we should simplify a radical before we go on. You can do the prime factorization of this if you want, but I see that 16 is 4 times 4. And remember, with square roots, we're looking for a pair of something. So here's a pair of 4s. They're going to come out in front as a single 4. So we've got 5x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 4. The radical disappears since we took everything out of it. Now I'm solving for x, so I'm going to take the negative 1, move it over. Take anything across or equals, your sign changes, so it becomes a positive 1, plus or minus 4. And now we're going to divide both sides by the number in front of our x, which is 5. And to do that, those 5's going to cancel. Now at this point, if your radicals disappeared completely, it's probably a good idea for you to split them up into two separate pieces, unless you have an I. And then you split them up differently than that. What that plus or minus means is it means we're going to have x is equal to 1 plus 4 over 5, and we'll have x is equal to 1 minus 4 over 5. Well, 1 plus 4 is 5, so we've got 5 over 5, which was 1. And here we got 1 minus 4, which gives us negative 3 over 5. So our two answers are 1 and negative 3/5.